Online.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Pearl. Do you hear me out there?
Yes.
Yes? Hello, testing out there. Welcome to the Pearl Farmers Market. We are so excited. We have the amazing Fernando Ortega with us today with ILOVEACEITE olive oils. He is cooking up some tapas that are to die for. I can't wait for you guys. I wish you had smell-o-vision on YouTube because it smells amazing. For those of you here, I can't wait for you to try it. You're going to be so happy that you did. So, Fernando, tell us what we have here.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to cook today, and we are going to prepare a very special chickpeas with chorizo.
Yes.
And we are going to use many different ingredients from the local farmer, and in order to promote all the local farmer and all the local product.
Fantastic. So what do we have in here now?
Here we have extra virgin olive oil.
Of course.
And green onion from Hat and Her Farm. Chorizo from
Aurelia's
chorizo, yes. Black
Excellent
garlic
choice.
from
Black garlic.
And cooked chickpeas. And to finish, we will use sunflower microgreens from Green Bear Farm.
Awesome. That always makes everything look so beautiful and gives a little extra freshness. And I love that you have the already cooked garbanzo beans.
Yes.
And they're a good size, too. I like that size. Perfect for a tapa.
This is a very special recipe that my son Alex and me, we designed it.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
That's cool. So it has some sentimental value as well. So the green onions and the peppers went in first?
Yes, we fry first the green pepper. After we add the spring onions. After the chorizo and the black garlic.
Okay. And you cook that how long?
Yes, it's about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Depending on the quantity you put. But,
so it's a quick meal too. You can make this very after
very
a long
simple,
day. You throw everything in.
And very simple, easy to cook, and maybe in 20 minutes, 25 minutes, you're done.
Ah, that's fantastic.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about your company, ILOVEACEITE.
Well, I'm the third generation of producer, and we started our business company in 2009, ILOVEACEITE, and in 2016 we decided to move to the United States and started in Texas. Why Texas?
Why Texas?
Why Texas?
Why not Texas?
When you decide to start a business in the United States, you must to choose one place because it's a huge market.
Right.
And I met international meeting companies in Spain, in Madrid, in 2015, and they present and they introduced Texas like a very good place to make business, and San Antonio, and I said, why not San Antonio? It's just a good place, and that's it.
No, that's great.
Yes,
we're so glad you picked. And you've been here 4 years, you said?
4 years, yes. We're importing our extra virgin olive oil directly from our factory, and at the same time we're bringing more Spanish food. And because our customer, they request us to, why don't you bring more Spanish food and wine and everything, and
cheese.
Yes, at the end we can supply chickpeas, olive oil, wine.
That's fantastic.
Even wherever they want, we can bring for them. Or green paprika is like a pimentón.
The pimentón.
Pimentón, or ham or cheese or whatever they want, we can get and bring for them.
Oh, I'm so excited about this. I love Spanish food.
Give me 1 second. Because it's almost done.
Whoa. It's like popcorn.
Yes.
This is really great. So you were telling me a little bit about olive oil earlier. Can you tell me again? I have a short memory about extra virgin, first cold press. Like how are Spanish grapes different? Tell us a little more about that.
Yes. When we talk about extra virgin olive oil, what does mean? It's olive juice, 100% olive juice, and it's the best quality of this olive juice.
Okay.
The smell, the taste, the flavor is perfect. It's like if you give a 8, 9, or 10.
Right.
It's like A. In United States you say ABC,
right.
But it's like
A. The best.
The best, yes. If you call only virgin olive oil, it's the same. It's olive juice, but the qualification, the note is about 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. When you read only olive oil is a refined and mixed product.
Okay.
Product. It's not our original.
Gotcha.
And there is another commercial category, it's a pomace.
Okay.
It's another category, and here it's very difficult to find this product. But extra virgin olive oil or virgin olive oil means olive juice. No mix, no refined, anything. And extra, that means it's the best quality.
Okay.
Best
Does it have
quality.
anything to do with clarity as well? Is there more sediment? Is it just more refined or cleaner?
Well, no, if you choose the different category, you know where are you taking.
Okay.
Virgin or extra virgin is olive juice. Extra virgin is the best juice, the best one. And you choose only olive oil. Olive
Gotcha.
oil, you take in some refining and mixing.
Okay. And you were telling me the name of the olives that you like to use that have the queen of olives is what's
Yes,
the name
because
of it?
it's the name of the olives is the variety is Picual.
Picual.
Picual, yes, and it's the name of the variety of the olive, and we call the queen because almost the 25% of the oil of the olive is olive juice.
That's fantastic.
And you can we produce in our factory, we produce around 3 million of gallons every single year.
Very
Because
cool.
we pick up this variety and we get around 25, 26, 24% of olive juice directly from these olives.
So the yield is very high. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Good to know. So
Well, we're almost
this
done.
has been cooking
Yeah.
about 15 minutes, you'd say? 20
Yeah,
minutes?
20 minutes, yes.
And it looks amazing. It looks healthy. It smells amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And you can serve this on almost anything, too, if you wanted to. It's a full meal in itself.
A little bit salt now.
Where can we find I Love Aceite olive oil? If
Well,
you're-
on internet, in visiting ILOVEACEITE.us,
okay.
and you can order online, and our mostly commercial channel is restaurant. We supply directly different restaurants.
Oh,
We're
what?
working with many restaurants in San Antonio, Austin, Dallas,
All
Houston.
over.
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. How
And for the
exciting.
final consumer, we recommend it to go to visit ILOVEACEITE.us and
Okay.
order online.
Fantastic.
Even
Fernando, that is so cool that you are here in Texas bringing a taste of Spain to us. I feel like we're privileged.
Thank
you
you.
for
Thank
being
you.
here with us.
Thank you very much.
Again, guys out there in YouTube land, if you want to get I Love Aceite products, you can buy them online, which is great news for anyone out there, no matter where you are. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for inviting me.
See you later,
Bye.
guys.
Bye. Okay, we're ready.